Hey everybody, welcome to the TechHub.training Alteryx Loyalty Incentive Challenge solution. Let's get right into it. Open up my Alteryx solution. Now there's a lot of different ways to solve Alteryx challenges. I'll show you what I used, maybe a few different things you guys haven't seen. So this first tool, just inputting the data into the workflow. Second one, never used this tool before. It's called date time. And this tool will convert strings to dates and vice versa. So when you get the data first into the workflow, the higher date will be a string and we need it to be a date type. So selected the higher date column, give it a new name, random name, and then whatever date works for you. And then afterwards, click on this select tool, and I just selected the employee name in the new column that we got from the date time tool. So as you can see, it's a date type now, and I just renamed it to higher date. Now, this next parsing tool, you could use text to column. I decided to use regex. I think it's kind of fun. So I chose the column to parse, employee name, and then you can see my expression. The first parentheses, I captured the last name by doing that /W. That gets every character, and the plus gets every character up until the comma. And then I put a space into the same thing to capture the last name. And I parsed the data out as my output method, and then the first grouping is the last name, the second grouping is the first name. And then on this concatenate formula, I just added a new column, full name, then did first name, space, last name, as you can see. And then next one, selected just the columns I wanted to output. So the full name and higher date. And then this next filter tool, first filter, is to get everyone 5 years or more. So this true output has everyone 4 years or less. This false has 5 years or more. And because it gives us 5 years or more, we need to get that second grouping of 5 to 9. So we have to filter it again. And the second filter, the true output shows us 5 to 9. The false output shows us 10 plus. And sorted them both by higher date. And then outputted them to our browse tool to show our boss. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope that this was helpful and that you guys love Alteryx.